Please wake up now. If not, a time will come, even if you want to wake up, it won't be possible. Don't go to the terminal stage. Don't go to the end stage. Don't go to the advanced stage. Rather, come. Now you are in the intermediate stage. You are not in the early stage. Most of the clients are ignoring when a diagnosis is derived. They are in the intermediate stage. They are not at the early stage. You all must have heard pre-diabetes, diabetes, pre-hypertension, hypertension, pre-dyslipidemia, dyslipidemia, overweight and obesity. All are associated with the early methodology. How many of the patients are coming at the early stage to you? They are ignoring the health. They are not bothered and they want to counter it. They will go for physical fitness. They go for erratic dieting pattern. They do all sorts of things which they feel comfortable. But one day they will realize, my God, I have moved from mild to moderate, early to intermediate. That is a time they will seek the proper guidance of the specialist or then Ayush consultant.